to. The sixth storm of the season and the fourth hurricane of the season, Francine, will be making landfall in Louisiana later today. I'm in Baton Rouge, the capital city of Louisiana, where we're under hurricane warning and a flood watch as we anticipate some strong winds, potentially causing some widespread power outages, as well as heavy rainfall that could cause some problems of flooding, mainly on street flooding. We're not anticipating any major river flooding at all to happen in this area, but the concern is that this rain could come down at some big rates when the hurricane comes by, and that can cause some ponding of water on the roadways and maybe even some street flooding where storm drains get clogged. Now, when it comes to power outages here, that is a concern. Winds are likely to reach at least tropical storm force, if not gusting to hurricane strength, and that may lead to some widespread power outages. It gets hot in the days ahead, so the plan is to make sure people are safe after the storm, using generators safely and making sure storm safety is of the utmost importance. I'm meteorologist Jen Carfagno in Baton Rouge.